Yo, what's good, crypto warriors? Welcome back to the channel. It's your go-to guy for all things blockchain, dropping truth bombs from the front lines of the bull run. If you're grinding those 9 to 5s, but dreaming of that Lambo life, hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you're team XRP, and comment below, ETF approval incoming or nah. Today, we're dissecting this absolute banger of an XRP chart from Binance, snapped on November 10th, 2025. At 11:30 a.m. UTC. This ain't your grandma's stock ticker, it's the heartbeat of Ripple's beast, pulsing with potential in a market that's got Wall Street sweating. Strap in, cuz we're about to unpack why XRP's not just surviving, it's straight up thriving, and how it could flip your portfolio faster than a Vegas jackpot. First off, top of the frame, XRP USDT blasting at $2.5206, up a juicy 9.46% in the last 24 hours. Trading around rupee 223.62 for the international crew. But let's keep it real for you US hustlers. That's green candles lighting up your feeds like holiday lights on steroids. From a 24-hour low of $2.2982 to a high of $2.5731, with 173.77 million XRP flipped for $426.35 million USD in volume. That's not noise. That's institutional money whispering all in while retail degens pile on. Zoom out and XRP's been on a tear, up 290% YTD, smashing through regulatory fog post-sec drama, and now eyeing that old ATH like it's personal. Why the surge? Blame it on swell 2025 vibes. Whale hoarding 47 billion tokens, and those 5-spot ETF filings from Bitwise and Franklin Templeton hitting DTCC desks. $8 billion inflows projected if greenlit by mid-November. This shark's got the pond on lock. Dive into the candlestick arena, and it's pure fireworks. That 4-hour view with orange hammers and green dojis stacking like pancakes at an all-you-can-eat. Prices carving higher lows since early November, shrugging off a 10% dip like it was just a coffee spill. Now coiling above $2.50 like a spring ready to launch. Those blue wicks. Buyers defending the fort at every turn, while volume bars below pulse blue hot at 2.87 million average, with MA5 at 8.49 million and MA10 at 8.17 million screaming accumulation. It's that classic XRP resilience, fast, borderless payments meeting real-world adoption, turning FUD into fuel as banks from Chase to Santander test RippleNet waters. Now those EMAs, they're the golden roadmap to riches. EMA 7 in yellow at 2.520, $1 hugging price like a sidekick. EMA 25 at $2.4487 threading the uptrend. Every bounce off it feels like destiny. EMA 50 in blue at $2.3907, and EMA 100 in red at $2.3502. Stacked bullish, sloping steeper than a Silicon Valley startup pitch, confirming the momentum shift. And the EMA 200 in purple at $2.3559. The ultimate trend guardian, flatlining then curling up, XRP's dancing above it all, yelling higher lows, baby, if it holds $2.40 base. That's your bat signal for breakout city. Peep the Bollinger Bands, magenta squeeze turning expansion mode, with price kissing the upper band at $2.5731 like its first base. Lower bands at $2.1326. Your dip-buy bunker if bears growl, but with volatility at 90.0 ATR. Expect 10 to 15% swings that make your heart race. Parabolic SAR dots flipped bullish below candles at $2.1326. Trend reversal confirmed. Folks, this setup screaming volatility volcano. And when those bands widen, XRP could erupt 20% plus in days. Lower panels, RSI at 57.9625. Neutral but curling up from oversold like a phoenix. No wild divergence, just steady frog. Shark power building. Volumes that reliable blue heartbeat. No panic dumps, just consistent flow keeping the ecosystem humming. And MACD. DIF at -0.0554 dipping, but histogram flipping green at 0.0014. With DEA at -0.0540 teasing a crossover. Zero-line breach incoming. That's your momentum nitro boost, turning sideways chop into straight-line speed. Real spit, this XRP charts the comeback kid we crave in crypto. Up 9% today amid Bitcoin dominance at 60%. But XRP's decoupling like a boss, fueled by utility over hype, regulatory wins, ETF buzz and on-chain fireworks, 47B tokens whale-locked. Got it primed for that oh shit moment. For you East Coast traders sipping coffee at dawn or West Coast night owls grinding charts, this is the setup that turns side hustles into empires, fast settlements for remittances, DeFi bridges and now ETF gravy, game changer. Price prediction alert, time to stack those sats. Listen up America, short term, next week to November 17th. Choppy glory could dip to $2.27 on profit taking if BTC sneezes, but rebound to $2.70, $2.85 on any ETF whisper. By end November bullish AF, $2.90, $3.20 if it cracks $3 daily close. Riding that EMA stack and swell momentum. Q4 2025. Eyes on $5 plus if Canary ETF nods drop, whales are loading. Inflows could hit $8 billion, turning $1K bags into $2K quick. Bear case stalls at $2.20 on macro jitters, but that's your fire sale entry. Long haul 25 high, $4, $5.25 close, with 26 teasing $7, $10 on global adoption waves. Not advice, DYOR, risk what you can lose and trade like a pro. You feeling the XRP wave or hedging with BTC? Spill in the comments, bell on for alerts, and I'll holler at you next drop. Stay savage, legends to the moon.